Hi, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore a backup in Home Assistant. A skill you'll be glad you learned, because you never know when things might go wrong. So let's jump right in. A backup is always extremely important, not just because something might go wrong, but also because you may want to upgrade your hardware one day. And when that happens, you definitely don't want to lose all the customizations you've already created. Nobody wants to start everything from scratch. Even if you make a change that's tricky to undo, having a recent backup means you can simply restore it and get everything back to normal. I actually have two Home Assistant instances: my main, fully customized setup that I use every day, and a fresh installation with no customizations. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore a backup from my customized instance into the new one. To check my local backups, I go to Settings, then System, and then Backups. Here you can see I currently have 27 manual backups. I don't have any automatic backups in this section, and I'll explain why in just a moment. If I click on the Backups link, I can see that my latest full backup was created only 15 hours ago, and I also have 4 other full backups created daily. Now let me show you how these backups are automatically generated. I go to Settings, then Add-ons, and I select the Home Assistant Google Drive Backup add-on. If you want to learn how to install and configure this add-on, check out the video I made about it. You can find it on my YouTube channel. Just scroll through the videos until you see it, or you can go to my website, open the Videos menu, and search for Google. Back in Home Assistant, I click Open Web UI to access the backup dashboard. Here I can see 4 locally stored backups. These are created automatically every day and then synced to my Google Drive, where the same 4 backups are stored. Now let me show you how to download a backup. If I want to download one of my local backups, I simply go back to the Backups menu. Then, on the backup I want to restore, I click the menu button on the right and choose Download. And that's it. The file starts downloading immediately. If you're restoring the backup on the same Home Assistant instance, you don't actually need to download the file. I'll show you what to do in just a moment. If I want to download a backup from Google Drive instead, I just open my Google Drive backup folder, click the menu on the backup I want, and select Download there as well. Super simple. Now let's move to the newly installed Home Assistant so we can restore the backup. I go to Settings, System, and then Backups. As you can see, there are no backups here yet. To upload one, I click the menu in the top right corner and choose Upload Backup. Then I select the file I previously downloaded from my other Home Assistant instance and hit Upload Backup. The upload begins, and once it's finished, I click on Manual Backups. And there it is, the file I just uploaded. Now I'm going to restore this backup. And by the way, this is exactly the same process you would follow if you were restoring a backup on the same Home Assistant instance. I click on the backup entry, and it shows me the full list of items I can restore. If I only wanted a partial restore, I could pick and choose the components I need. But in this case, I want a full restore, so I'm selecting everything. All that's left is to hit Restore and Confirm. Home Assistant will restart and begin restoring the backup. This process can take a little while, so I'll speed it up so the video doesn't get too long. And it's back. Now I need to log in again. Keep in mind that if the username or password on this new instance was different from the original Home Assistant, it won't be anymore. After the restore, you must use the login credentials from the instance the backup came from. Once I log in, I'm taken back to the Backups page, but I can already see in the sidebar that everything matches my main Home Assistant setup. If I click on Overview, my entire floor plan is already there, along with all my custom views at the top. There's just one last thing I have to change manually: the theme. It didn't reset, and I prefer dark mode, so I go to User Settings and switch to dark mode. And now this instance looks exactly the same as the original. And that's it! We've successfully restored a full Home Assistant backup onto a brand new installation from downloading the backup, uploading it, and restoring everything, right down to the custom views and settings. I hope this video helped you feel more confident about keeping your Home Assistant setup safe and recoverable. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Home Assistant tips, DIY projects, and smart home guides. It really helps the channel grow and lets me keep bringing you more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.